Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Have you ever heard of Prunella Vulgaris? This beautiful flowering plant is popularly known as Selfheal or Heal-All and belongs to the same family as mint. Although its name sounds fanciful, its incredible health properties and benefits have earned it this fame. For centuries, it's been used in traditional Chinese medicine to heal and treat some diseases. Some claim that it can protect against viruses, infections, and chronic diseases such as diabetes and cancer. The health benefits of this plant are attributed to several of its compounds. To get the most benefits from this plant, it's ideal to consume it in the form of a tea. But before we show you how to prepare it, learn more about the benefits of Prunella Vulgaris tea. Helps fight tuberculosis, helps speed healing and disinfect wounds, external use, inhibits the growth of metastases, especially in the lungs, helps relieve fever, diarrhea, and sore throats, contains numerous antioxidant, antiviral, and antibacterial properties that help fight infections in the body, prevents and treats gum problems, reduces symptoms and fights allergies and inflammation, regulates the function of the thyroid gland. Did you like the benefits? Do you want to know how to prepare the tea? Prunella tea is easy to prepare and shouldn't be sweetened. It's recommended to drink no more than 3 cups of this tea per day. Ingredients: 1/2 teaspoon of dried prunella, 1 glass of filtered water. Preparation: put both ingredients in a pan and bring it to a boil. Let it boil. When it reaches the boiling point, turn off the heat. Cover the pan and let it steep for 10 minutes. Strain and your tea is ready for consumption. Prunella isn't only used for making tea, but it's also a non-conventional food plant, PANC. In other words, all parts of the plant can be consumed. It's important to know that the negative effects of consuming this plant aren't known. There are no clinical studies, and toxicity hasn't yet been studied. Therefore, it's always important to check with a healthcare professional if you can consume this plant. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.